Hello and welcome to Beyond Keto and Carnivore, optimized diet for modern humans, achieving fat loss effortlessly while feeding your Homo sapiens DNA. And I could not be more excited to get this course going. It's absolutely changed my life. It's changed multiple family members of mine's lives. And it's absolutely just the most effective plan I have ever seen. And the moment that I started implementing it, I really wondered how it was that I did not understand this before. So could not be more excited to share this with you. We're going to get right into the fundamentals of why it is that humans are meant to eat a certain way and how we have kind of strayed away from that. And without further ado, let's go right into that. Table of contents, chapter 1, how were we designed to eat, dating right back to prehistoric times. And then how did that change over time to how we eat in our modern world, both modern in the sense of civilized world and our very, very modern world of the last 100 years. And then we'll go into the principles of the optimized human diet, basic commandments that if you follow, you should see great results. And then the nutrients, of course, we'll go into exactly how your body is being properly fueled. And then, of course, we'll go into toxins and anti-nutrients as well, because anyone who's done any kind of research on diet has to understand that it's just as much about what you do not put in your body as what you do. Beyond just junk food, there are other natural foods out there as well that do not want to be eaten. We'll go into that. And then, of course, we'll go into guidelines on how much to eat and when to eat. That's one of a few very often discussed topics here we'll go in towards the end, such as drinking fluids and mineral and electrolyte support. And then, of course, could not leave out exercise, because a lot of people will probably think if they have a perfect diet, there's going to be no need for exercise. But if you're putting fuel into your body, it's going to need to be burned off somehow. And then, of course, we'll go into that 30, 60, and 90-day plan summary, just a basic breakdown of exactly how you can implement all that we teach you in the first 9 chapters and put it right into your life. And I think within 30 days, you're going to see just amazing changes. You're going to feel them just as much as see them. So that's really what I'm very, very excited about. And before we go into the course here, I'll go right into the disclaimer. I am not a medical professional. I do not make any guarantees with this course. I am just simply someone who has accumulated knowledge over the years and, through personal results of what it is that makes this a great diet. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead, leave this here. Please do read it over, and then I will join you in the next video for chapter 1.